Ford built 99 2021 Broncos at its Michigan assembly plant in January, and that's just amazing, folks. We're still away from seeing the first production 2021 Broncos roll off the line at the Ford Michigan assembly plant, but quite a few pre-production models have already been built there. It seems after seeing a handful of early Ford Broncos examples in the recent months, we've learned that Ford actually built 99 2021 Broncos at the Michigan assembly plant in the month of January alone, which is a great feat. Now, we know this because the automaker noted it's on the January sales report, which lists all the production by model and plant. And they're plain as day. We can see just shy of 100 pre-production Ford Bronco models at the Michigan assembly plant, alongside about 9,800 Ford Wrangler pickups. Meanwhile, a grand total of production being the 4,046 Ford Bronco Sport models are produced at the Ford Hermosillo assembly plant, which is just straight up amazing. Now, sadly, of course, all of these nearly production-ready 2021 Broncos are going to be destroyed following a variety of testing, whether that's crash tests or fuel economy or emissions tests, just plain old test driving. But it's notable, but this is just the cost of doing business in the automotive world, and this is what manufacturers have to do. Now, this is A Automotive Reviews, and I just wanted to share this information with you guys that this is happening. And we all know, as a production, the 2021 Ford Bronco order banks opened last month. Reservation holders have already begun converting their reservations to orders. 2021 Ford Bronco production is going to begin May the 3rd. It's always the case, these dates are subject to change, in light of the pandemic and everything else. So we know that, some great things are happening. So we know we just have to be ready for change. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.